Okay, what's up, everybody? This is Jordy Carving Fusion at in Canada, British Columbia, in a little farming fishing town called Ladner in Delta. So here's a piece of cottonwood bark, okay? This is real thin stuff. I found it on the beach, and I could carve a wood spirit in here or a little saying or something, but I thought it's not a very good piece for me to carve. Well, it is, but whatever. So today I'm just gonna take everything back to the basics, okay? As this channel is for beginning carvers, okay? And I remember when I first started carving, I tried watching videos and videos and videos for beginning carvers, and it was really hard. There wasn't too many out there. That's why I said as soon as I get somewhat good enough to be a carver, I'm gonna make my own videos. So here we are. So I talk lots in my wood spirit videos or any videos about making a cut and feathering it back, okay? So I just drew this out. Pretend this is this right here, a side view. Okay, so there's our cut mark. I always use the cut saw. This is Extreme Flame burr. If you want to get these burrs, it will be in the link below. Use the code CFusion to save 5%. But Cutsaw has a bunch of different types of burrs. Go to the page, you'll see. But I just like the Extreme, but it's because it's the most aggressive. But don't think that you have to go with the Extreme. And the Extreme lasts, I'm heavy hands, so the Extreme lasts me a lot longer than the normal burrs, because these things do wear out. Especially on hardwood. If you guys carve softwood like this cottonwood bark, or like kind of almost punky wood, your burrs are going to last a lot longer. But the harder wood that you carve, the more detail your piece is going to hold when you sand it and, well, whatever. Okay, so this is going to be our cut mark, okay? This is going to do this, okay? So let's just draw it on. Okay, and practice your S lines, guys. This is just practicing for the real beginner carver, okay? You know, try and practice your S lines. You know, like S lines. So we're going to cut down all these lines, okay? We're going to cut about this deep in there. Multiple passes. Don't rush it like I do, guys, okay? So these are S lines. S lines can be like this. They can be long. They can be real friggin'. They can be whatever you want. S lines are a very important piece of art. My buddy, a well-known tattoo artist, once told me when I started painting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these lines out, okay? Straight down. And then I'm going to show you guys what I mean by feathering back. So here's our cut line. And then we're going to keep this wall here. And then we're going to feather this all back. Just like this. Do you know what I mean? So let's do it. That's what I mean feathering back. Okay, well, let's feather this back. So there you guys can see how I put my original cut in there. Okay, original cut, then I feathered it back. Now look at these high points. I think that's a real good thing for you to practice. Make your original cut. Can be in any type of wood, guys. Just don't buy it to practice. Find some free stuff. So just make your original cut and then feather it back like a slow uphill, right? Because you don't want to do your cut and just try and carve it away quickly. Make it gradually come out. I think that's a very first good starting point, guys. Practice doing that, and then you'll know what I mean by feathering it out and getting high points and low points. See? Okay, now let's cut on this side of the line. Pretend this is your nose here, or whatever. See how deep I went in there? Now we're going to feather this side back. See, you got a wall there? This is all nice and feathered back. Just like here. Feather it back.